Hey guys, how you doing? Thank you for tuning in to a brand new video. Oh, today we have a $140 session. Doesn't look like it, but we do. We have two of my favorite $20 215 million cash explosions. We have tickets 7 and 8. And then we got 10 of these. 10 of these new $10 power shot multiplier. We have tickets 28 through 37. So we do have my lucky 32 in here. And I think it's a white line. Who's to say? Yeah, it is. And without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Got a lot of tickets to go through today, and hopefully we can't find a nice winner. I was gonna make it into 2 videos, but I was like, you know what? Y'all like these big videos, so yeah. So anyways, with this game, it's a match and win, or no, it's not a match and win, my bad. You find that lightning bolt in any of these 20 games, you win the prize, and you have a chance to multiply it up to 20 times. So without further ado, let's go. See if we can't find any lightning bolts. We'll use the random red, yellow, or Arizona Lottery coin. Let's get a lucky swig tap. And then lucky Huso. Let's do it. I've seen a lot of people doing good on this ticket, so I hope, hopefully we can do the same. Can we start off with the win? That'd be nice. Preferably like a $300,000 winner. Okay, got a chest, a star, wishbone, cherry, ladybug, and nothing. Nothing on the first one. Very fast $10 game, but hey, it's fun. Okay, let's do it. 7. Starting off with a lucky 7. It's got to be a winner then, right? Is that how that works? And you got a ladybug. Nugget, and last 4. Oof, nothing there. Oh, and the odds are going to be 1 in 3.41. Not bad at all, honestly. Not bad at all. There's a win. That's beautiful. And there's another one. We'll take it. Might as well get a lucky. Boop. Double tap. I think I got 2 pictures of that. All right. 2 wins. Can we keep it going? Come on. I think I might be doing a book of these. I might. Oh, there's another win. One more win? Come on. Nope, just 3 wins. All right. Well, let's see what the multiplier is going to be. 1x on that one. And I'm guessing 1x on both of these. 1x. 1x. Nice. So what are we going to have? $5, $10. We got $15 and $5. We got $20 back so far. That is a good way to start. Okay, ticket 31, almost like 32. Let's go back to back. Nope. Nope. And last little bit. Nope. Nothing. Okay. Let's do it. Ticket lucky 32. Let's get it. A ring, a rainbow, a chest, wishbone, cherry, bills, ladybug, a wallet. And there's another win. Unlucky 32. Beautiful. This game is a very lucky game. Please be 1. Oh, there's 2. All right, we got 2 now. And another one. We get another one. And we got 4 this time. Beautiful. Let's see what the multiplier is going to be. 1x. 1x. 1x and 1x. $25 winners. You got 5. And is it another 20? That'll work. So it's a $25 winner. Nice. So that puts us at $45 back out of the 100 or 140. Yeah. Let's keep it going. Ticket 33, white lined ticket. Nice. I will take it. So far, so good. And another win. Nice. These tickets are amazing. And another win. I've seen this pattern already on AZ Scratcher's channel. I've seen this pattern. So hopefully it's something good. So we got 2 now. Check multipliers out. 1x and 1x. 10 bucks. 15 bucks. So we got a 15, a 20, and a 25. Nice. So that's, what was that? 45. What was it? We got 20, 45, 60 bucks back. Nice, nice, nice. Out of the 140, almost half back. I will take it. Better than the kick in the old hindquarters. Let's do it. Come on, back to back to back. Nope. So far, not bad. We have 3 tickets left of these. All right, ticket 35. Let's do it. Let's see a multiplier this time. The nugget. Okay, and we can get that on screen. Let's send it. No. All right, 2 tickets left. Let's get 1 more win. I'm being greedy. Let's do it. Ticket 36. No wins up there. Nope. And the last bit. No. Okay, last one of this game, and then we move to our 20s. Got 60 bucks back. Come on. Last ticket. Let's get it. Nope. We end off with a win. Nope. And last 3 to save the day. No. But that's okay. I'll take it. 60 bucks back out of the 100 spent on those. Now let's see if one of these big puppies come through. This is a $20 cash explosion. 7 and 8. It's a match and win. Money bags $100 instantly. 20x is, well, you guessed it. 20 times the prize. So, without further ado, let's do it. Let's go symbol hunting. Okay, no symbols there. All we need to do is just find a hundo on this one, and we'll be profit. Money bag. Nope. I don't see any duplicate numbers just yet, so we'll keep searching. 12, 31, 38, 6, and a 4. Nope. A lot of 4s, but not that one. And last bit. 48. We had another 40. No, 38. A 5. That's a 3. And an 18. Okay, no duplicate numbers on this one. Let's do it up here. 34. I feel like we had a 34. All these 4s and no 34. 24. Nope. 37. Nope. 27. Got 717. Nope. 49er. Nope. 15. Nope. 2 more to go. Come on. Lucky 32. No, man. 28. 48, 38, 8. No. Lose there. All right, we're going to need to find a big winner here. Let's do it. Last ticket. Ticket number 8. All right. 12, 19, 18, 31, 24, 49, 45. Get that lucky swig. Let's go. 8. 41. A 9er. 30 Triso. 29. Lucky 32. 27. Come on. Let's get it. 44. 46. 39. Oh, it's not looking good. A 4. A 3. 18. We got a winner. Woo! That's good. That's a good thing. 24. Oh, there's a 24. All right, now the wins decide to come in. I see how it is. Leave you on a little cliffhanger there. 40. A deuce. 48. Is this going to be those two matches? 35. We got 45. Well, we know what this is going to be. The 13. Nope. 26 and 43. Okay. So, let's see what we got. 18, 24. Come on. It's probably 10 and 10. Jinx myself. Oof, that's brutal. That's one thing I don't like. The fake multipliers, but you know what? It's okay. It's better than a kick in the old hind quarters. So, we got 20. 80 bucks back, I believe. Let's just see. 20. This is 15. Oh, yeah, 35. And then which one was it? 20. 35, 55. 80 bucks. Hey, we will take that. I'll take that. It's definitely a little bit more than half back. So maybe I'll go buy some more with it. Who's to say? And yeah. So if you guys did enjoy that, please leave a like rating down below. Can't do those type of sessions all the time, but hey, it's fun while it lasted. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you all on the next one. Goodbye.